Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all Minecraft enthusiasts, how to update Minecraft. Whether you're playing on PC, console, or mobile, staying updated ensures you have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and improvements. Stick around as we guide you through the update process step by step. Step 1. Checking current version. Before updating, let's first check which version of Minecraft you currently have. This step is essential as it helps us ensure you're getting the correct update for your platform. On PC, open Minecraft Launcher. The current version is usually displayed at the bottom left or in the launcher settings. On console, navigate to the game's main menu. Look for version information typically found in the settings or options menu. On mobile, open the Minecraft app and check for version info in the settings or about section. Step 2. Updating Minecraft. Now let's get to the update process itself. Depending on your platform, the steps can vary slightly. PC, Java Edition. Open the Minecraft launcher. If an update is available, it will prompt you to update before launching the game. Click Update or Install to begin the process. Follow any on-screen instructions. PC Bedrock Edition, Windows 10. Open the Microsoft Store or Xbox app. Go to Downloads and Updates, find Minecraft and click Update if available. Console, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. Go to your console's home screen. Highlight Minecraft and press the menu button, usually Options or Start. Select Check for Updates and follow prompts to download and install. Mobile, iOS, Android. Open the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Go to Updates and find Minecraft in your list of apps. Tap Update next to Minecraft to install the latest version. Step 3. Post-update checks. After updating, it's a good idea to verify that everything is working smoothly. Launch Minecraft and check if you're on the latest version. Test gameplay to ensure there are no new issues or bugs introduced. Check for new features by exploring any recent updates or patch notes. Conclusion. Updating Minecraft is vital for enjoying the latest content and maintaining game stability. Whether you're on PC, console, or mobile, following these steps ensures you're always ready to explore Minecraft's newest adventures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Minecraft tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy mining.